Understanding Earthly, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word earthly. This is a term you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of what earthly means and how to use it in sentences. So, let's dive in. Earthly is an adjective that is used to describe something that belongs to or is related to the earth, as opposed to heavenly or divine things. When something is described as earthly, it is mundane, worldly, and tangible. It is something that we can see, touch, or experience in our physical world. Example sentences. Earthly pleasures. This phrase refers to physical and material enjoyments of life, like eating good food or living in a comfortable home. No earthly reason. This phrase means there is no practical or possible reason for something. In literature, earthly is often used in literature to draw a contrast between the mundane world and something more spiritual or transcendent. In everyday language, in casual conversation, people might use earthly to emphasize the practical or real-world aspect of something. In religious contexts, earthly can also be used in religious contexts to describe things that are of this world, as opposed to the afterlife or a divine realm. When to use earthly? Use earthly when you want to emphasize the tangible, real-world aspects of something, or when you want to draw a contrast between the mundane and the divine. How to use earthly? Earthly is an adjective, so it will be used to describe nouns. Make sure that the noun you are describing with earthly is something that can logically be described in this way. And that's it for today's video on the word earthly. We hope this has cleared up any confusion and that you now feel comfortable using this word in your own English conversations and writings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.